The 3-6-9 method is a powerful manifestation technique that allows you to reprogram your reality by harnessing the vibrational energy of numbers. This method is rooted in the mystical significance of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, providing a structured approach to align your thoughts, emotions, and intentions with your deepest desires. By consistently applying this technique, you can transform your mindset and attract the life you envision. The significance of numbers 3, 6, and 9. The numbers 3, 6, and 9 are not just digits. They hold profound significance in the universe. Nikola Tesla, the brilliant inventor, famously stated, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." Each of these numbers carries unique energies that can influence your reality in remarkable ways. The energy of number 3. The number 3 represents creativity, self-expression, and manifestation. It encourages you to embrace your unique gifts and talents, fostering a mindset of growth and expansion. When you connect with the energy of the number 3, you tap into your creative potential, allowing your ideas and aspirations to flourish. This number serves as a reminder to express yourself authentically and to pursue your passions with enthusiasm. The energy of number 6. The number 6 symbolizes harmony, balance, and nurturing. It invites you to cultivate loving relationships and create stability in your life, reminding you of the importance of emotional well-being. The energy of the number 6 encourages you to seek balance in all areas of your life, whether it be in your personal relationships, work, or self-care. By nurturing yourself and those around you, you create a supportive environment that fosters growth and fulfillment. The energy of number 9. The number 9 represents completion, spiritual enlightenment, and humanitarianism. It signifies the culmination of experiences and the wisdom gained from them, urging you to share your insights with the world. The energy of the number 9 encourages you to look beyond yourself and consider how your actions can contribute to the greater good. It inspires you to embrace your role as a light worker, using your knowledge and experiences to uplift others. How the 3-6-9 method works. By tapping into the energies of these numbers, the 3-6-9 method empowers you to focus your intentions and manifest your desires effectively. This method is not just about wishful thinking. It is a deliberate practice that requires commitment and consistency. Practicing the 3-6-9 method. To practice the 3-6-9 method effectively, you will write your affirmations in a structured way throughout the day. In the morning, begin by writing your affirmations 3 times. This sets a powerful intention for the day ahead, aligning your mindset with your goals. As you write, take a moment to visualize your affirmations coming to life. Imagine the feelings of joy and fulfillment that accompany achieving your desires. Allow yourself to fully immerse in these emotions, as they will amplify the energy you send out into the universe. In the afternoon, repeat your affirmations 6 times. This reinforces your focus and keeps your desires at the forefront of your mind. Take a moment to pause and reflect on how your day aligns with your intentions. Consider the actions you can take to move closer to your goals and how you can maintain a positive mindset throughout the day. In the evening, conclude your day by writing your affirmations 9 times. This final repetition solidifies your intentions in your subconscious as you prepare for rest. As you write, express gratitude for the progress you've made, no matter how small. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that raises your vibration and attracts more positive experiences into your life. Commitment to the practice. Engage in this practice for 9 consecutive days. This duration allows your subconscious mind to absorb the affirmations, creating a shift in your beliefs and perceptions. Consistency is key, as it helps establish a new thought pattern that aligns with your desires. Over time, you may notice that your mindset begins to shift, and you start to attract opportunities that resonate with your intentions. The science behind the 369 method. The 369 method operates on the principle that our thoughts and emotions emit vibrations that resonate with the universe. When you consistently focus on your affirmations, you begin to align your energy with the frequency of your desires. This alignment acts as a magnet, attracting opportunities, people, and circumstances that reflect your intentions. The principles of quantum physics suggest that everything in the universe is made up of energy, and that our thoughts can influence this energy. By focusing on your affirmations, you send out a specific frequency that the universe responds to, creating a ripple effect that can manifest your desires. This is where the magic of the 369 method truly lies. Understanding that your thoughts are not just fleeting ideas, they are powerful forces that shape your reality. Repetition and reprogramming the mind. Repetition is a powerful tool for reprogramming the brain. When you consistently repeat affirmations, you create new neural pathways that reinforce positive beliefs and diminish negative thought patterns. This process helps shift your mindset from one of limitation to one of abundance. As you engage in this practice, you may find that your self-doubt and fears begin to fade, replaced by a sense of empowerment and confidence in your ability to manifest your desires. The role of visualization and emotion. Incorporating visualization and emotion into your practice is essential for maximizing the effectiveness of the 369 method. As you write your affirmations, picture yourself living your desired reality. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals: joy, gratitude, excitement. This emotional connection amplifies the energy you send out into the universe, enhancing the manifestation process. The more vividly you can imagine your desired outcomes, the more real they become in your mind, which in turn influences your actions and decisions in the physical world. Creating a vision board. Consider creating a vision board that visually represents your affirmations. Include images, quotes, and symbols that resonate with your desires. Place it somewhere you'll see it daily to reinforce your intentions. This visual representation serves as a constant reminder of your goals and helps keep your focus sharp. Each time you glance at your vision board, you can reconnect with the feelings of excitement and anticipation for what is to come. While the 369 method is a powerful tool, you may encounter challenges along the way. Here are some strategies to help you stay committed and overcome obstacles. Stay consistent. Set aside dedicated time each day for your practice, treating it as a non-negotiable appointment with yourself. Consistency is crucial for reprogramming your subconscious mind and reinforcing your intentions. Be patient. Manifestation is a process that requires time and patience. Trust that the universe is working in your favor, even if you don't see immediate results. Keep your focus on the journey rather than just the destination, and allow the process to unfold naturally. Adjust your affirmations. If you find that certain affirmations don't resonate with you over time, feel free to adjust them. Your desires may evolve, and it's important to ensure your affirmations reflect your current goals. This flexibility allows you to stay aligned with your true self. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with supportive communities or individuals who share similar goals. Positive energy can be contagious and can help keep you motivated on your manifestation journey. Seek out those who uplift and inspire you, and consider sharing your experiences with them. Practice self-care. Take care of your mental and emotional well-being. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, as a positive mindset enhances your manifestation efforts. Remember that self-care is essential for maintaining your energy and focus. The 3-6-9 method is more than just a technique. It's a holistic approach to aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. By committing to this practice, you open yourself up to the possibilities that the universe has to offer. Remember, the key to successful manifestation lies in your belief in the process and your willingness to embrace the journey. As you continue to practice the 3-6-9 method, you may find that not only do your desires begin to manifest, but you also cultivate a deeper understanding of yourself and your true potential. Embrace the journey, stay focused on your intentions, and watch as your reality transforms in alignment with your dreams. The more you engage with this method, the more you will discover the profound impact it can have on your life, leading you to a path of fulfillment and abundance.